So good day everyone. For this video, we will be answering some problems regarding with long division of polynomials. And this topic will be used in integral calculus also. So let's proceed with our example number 1. We have 5x cubed minus x squared minus 18x minus 10 divided by x plus 2. So isulat nato siya sa ingani way. 5x cubed minus 2x squared minus 18x minus 10. So, sulod. Ato ang dividend dire. And ang divisor is nasa kilid. X plus 2. So, the first step is to divide the polynomial term by term. So, for example, 5x cubed divided by x is equal to 5x squared, right? And then after you have divided first term is multiply nimo siya balik sa imuhang divisor. 5x squared times x is equal to 5x cubed. Then 5x squared times 2 is equal to plus 10x squared. And then minus it from the polynomial above. So 5x cubed minus 5x cubed is equal to 0. Negative 2x squared minus 10x squared is equal to negative 10x squared. Then bring down the other term. So minus 18x minus 10. And then redo the what we have done on the first term. So kanina po na ito mahimong first term. So negative 12x squared divided by x is equal to negative 12x, right? Then after is a multiply. So negative 12x times x is equal to negative 12x squared. Negative 12x times 2 is equal to negative 24x. And then is i-subtract. Subtract na po. So negative 12x minus negative 12x squared is equal to 0. And negative 18x minus negative 24x is equal to positive 6x. 6x. Right? Tama ba ko? Ito kong calculator. Yes, 6. Then, copy, bring down the negative 10 since wala man tayo masubtract. So, negative 10. And then, again, redo it until nga dili na ka maka-divide sa imuhang divisor sa first term. So, 6x divided by x is equal to plus 6 na lang. So, again, multiply 6 times x is equal to 6x. 6 times 2 is equal to positive 12. Then, subtract. Negative 6x minus 6x is equal to 0. Negative 10 minus 12 is equal to negative 22. So, we have a remainder. If naa kay remainder is ibutang lang nimo siya sa numerator and i-divide again by the divisor. So, our final answer would be just, this is our quotient. So, equal ni siya karon ang kani equal siya kang atong quotient na 5x squared minus 12x plus 6 and then add the remainder na negative 22 over x plus 2. Alam ka sa yun. So, proceed sa ito ang example number 2. We have divide 18 a raised to 4 minus 9a squared minus 17a plus 8. I-divide by 3a cubed minus a squared minus. So again, ang ato ang dividend is nasa sulod. So 18a raised to 4 minus 9a raised to 2 minus 17a plus 8. Then, and closed. And ato ang divisor nasa kilid. 3a cubed minus a squared minus 3 term ato ang divisor but it won't matter. Ay first term lang ato ang iyahang magamit diri. So again, first term diri sa dividend is ato ang i-divide from the divisor. Of course. So 18a raised to 4 divided by 3 a cubed is equal to pila? 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So 6 a4 divided by a cubed is equal to a na lang. And then multiply. 6a times 3a cubed is equal to 18a raised to 4. And 6a times negative a squared is equal to negative 6a raised to cube. Right? So, again, 6a times negative 2 would give us negative 12a. And then, subtract. 18a raised to 4 minus 18a raised to 4 is 0. Negative 9 squared minus, since wala siya same, tawag ani, same term, so copy lang na. And then, negative, wala tayo cube po sa babaw, so negative times negative 6a cube is copy lang. So, meron siyang plus 6a cube and negative 9a squared. Dire, 17a minus negative 12 is equal to negative 5a. Then, add the 8 plus 8. And again, redo the process. 6a cubed divided by 3a cubed is equal to 2. And since dili na pwede ma-divide dire kay squared na lang, ang ito ang divisor is cubic, so unong na ta diha. So balik tag multiply. 2 times 3a cubed is equal to 6a cubed. 2 times negative a squared is equal to minus 2a squared. 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4. And subtract it again. So we have negative 6a cubed minus 0. Negative 9a squared minus negative 2a squared is equal to negative 7a squared. And since wala tayo term na a raised to 1, so copy lang ni si negative 5a. 8 minus negative 4, that will be added. So 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Since we cannot perform further division, so this is our remainder. Pag nasa remainder, divide lang balik ang divisor and our quotient. So our answer would be just 6a plus 2. Then plus negative a squared minus 5a plus 12 all over the divisor na 3a cubed minus a squared minus 2. Sige, let's have another problem, our last problem for this video. Medyo taas-taas. We have this polynomial divided by x squared minus 4 y cubed. So, sige. Allow me to copy first the kung ask yun sa atong i-divide. Copy, then Paste. Okay. So, again, ang atuang i-divide is na dapat sa sulod. Sulod ni siya. And divisor is nasa left side. X squared minus 4y cubed ni siya. So again, ato lang ang concept. First term, divide sa first term sa imuhang divisor. So, x cubed divided by x cubed. X raised to 6 divided by x squared is equal to x raised to ila 6 divided by 6 minus 2 is 4. So raised to 4. Then multiply x raised to 4 times x squared is equal to x raised to 6. X raised to 4 times negative 4x 4y cubed is equal to negative 4x raised to 4 times y cubed. Then multiply it to the polynomial above. Multiply, subtract. Sorry. So kinsa ang naay 6 nga power kani. So kani i-minus so 0. Ato ang unsa is negative 4x raised to 4 y cubed. So kinsa iyang same term. See? Kani. So 4 negative 4x raised to 4 y cubed minus negative 4x raised to 4 times y cubed is would give us also 0. So plus 0. Then just copy the other term. So kani ang one na hilabtan. So negative 2x raised to 5 y plus 8y 4 x cubed plus 2x cubed y cubed minus 8x y raised to 6. Let me check it first. Okay. So let's proceed. Again, redo the process that we have done sa kanina po. So negative 2x raised to 5 and then first term diri divide mo. So bili na lang is minus 2x 5 minus 2 is 3. Sorry. Times dy. Since wala tayo mabuhat kang y dire kasi x lang man nato ang i-divide sa first term, then multiply. Tama ba? Yes, tama. Multiply negative 2x cubed y times x squared is equal to negative 2x raised to 5 y. Then, negative 2x cubed y times negative 4y cubed is negative 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Copy si x cubed, then y times y cubed is equal to y raised to 4. Then, subtract sa minus. So, this one, maging 0. Negative 2x raised to 5y minus negative 2x 5y is equal to 0. And, insay same term man niya, x cubed y4. X cubed y4 dara. So, atuwa siyang ma-add. So, since positive minus negative, so ma-add siya. So, plus 8 plus 8 is 16. Am I correct? Okay. Sorry. This one is plus. Ano man? Negative 2x cubed y times negative 4. So, plus yun siya. Sorry, my bad. So, this one can be also cancelled out. So, plus 0 sad. Since wala na tayo minus, copy lang ning nasa baba. 2x cubed y cubed minus x 8x y versus 1. Since still divisible ni siya kay x cubed and then kani is x squared, so perform gihapon nato ang division. So 2x cubed y cubed divided by x squared would give us simply positive 2x y cubed. Then multiply. So 2x cubed y cubed 2x squared y cubed times negative 4 y cubed is pila? Negative 2 times negative 4 that give us negative 8. Copy si x, y cubed times y cubed is equal to y raised to 6. And then subtract. So this one can be cancelled out. Negative 8x raised to 6. Anong cube ako ingon? Sorry. Minus negative 8. Sorry. Negative 8 y cube subtract sa negative. So, kani mahimong plus. So, cancel gid siya. So, nga to ang unsa answer ana is 0. So, wala tay remainder. So, meaning mo ni ato ang answer sa kani nga problem. So, x raised to 4 equal siya negative 2x cubed y plus 2x y. So, ana lang ang long division.